Hello all, so welcome to this new lecture. So here we are going to see how to run a Python code. So for that you have to open Anaconda Navigator. You can just search here so that this application will open. Here you can see the list of apps which are already installed with this package. There are two things in writing and executing the Python code. One, the development environment and running a Python code. So there are three types of development environment which are commonly there, which are our text editor, which can be either any text editor you are using right now, and complete IDE, which is nothing but the spider. You can just click launch, and the next thing is notebook environments. So example of that is Jupyter Lab. Just launch it also. First we are going to see developing Python code using text editors. So for that, open any text editor, notepad or notepad plus plus. Any type of general editors for any text file will work for this, but you don't get customization here, you don't get auto completion and highly automated stuff. So I won't prefer this method, but I'm showing this is also a possible method. So our first code, so there won't be auto completion, you have to do it. After typing the code, you have to save this file. I'm just saving this in desktop folder. So here you have to save it in .py format. All the Python files will be saved in .py format so that it will be executed. Now you can see the color code here, so which indicates it's a function and some other things will be there here. Okay, now just close this, you don't need anymore. Okay, now just open this folder, open any command prompt, just type cmd. So here code has been generated and the next step is running the code. So for that you just have to move your base directory here, just copy the file folder path and then give cd space the folder, give cd space the folder in which your file is saved, click enter. Now you have to type python and give n tab so that your py folder will appear here, click enter. So now you can see our py file is executed. So you can also go to Python interpreter by typing python here. So now it came to the Python interpreter. Here you can just execute one line code. You can see it printing. So most commonly you won't use this interpreter. I'm just showing you can use it. So for exiting this, you have to give quit. Yeah, now it came to the command prompt. I just showed one of the method for developing and running Python script, which is not more commonly used. Yeah, thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video.